punching, but we are getting into the habit. 1, 2. Because this hand, now if he punches back, I can stop it. Alright? Now if it was like this, he can punch me here. So what I'm doing, I am blocking his slap here, go again, slow motion, blocking and hitting him in the bicep. Now this is a vital, alright? So I go fast now, go. Here. The harder he hits, the harder he's going to get hit, obviously. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So the technique is here, my hands were up, I go, guard my face because it may still slip and hit me. So I take my face out, use the other hand, fist it and go and hit here. If it didn't work enough, what I do is go and hit him here back on the face. So 1, boom, and then get out of there. Option number 1. Option number 2 is, let's say, सुरन कम है, होता है ना सड़क में भीड़ लग जाती है, बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं. Let's come here, stand behind me, come closer. Let's say there were too many people, now I can't move. बहुत सारे लोग हैं, क्या हो गया भाई, क्या हो गया, ऐसे देखने लगते हैं. Now I can't move back. So what is that to be then to be done? Go. So one way to parry, punch. So one way to parry is I use open hands and punch and block. Go fast. All right, or use a counter. All right, but let us say I don't want to fight to continue for long. So what I do is he comes here. So what I'm too far, I think. So what I'm doing is go slow. When he punches, I'm using this and I'm using a hammer and I'm hitting here. So I'm going boom here. Now if I use the knuckle, it'll hurt him more. So what I'm turning my knuckles and hitting him here. I don't want to go inside. If I go inside, he can connect. So defang. Defanging. Defang. Defang मतलब सांप का जो फन है हम उसको काट रहे हैं. Go. It goes up. You get it? So I'm using this knuckle. I'm hitting him. I'm protecting my vitals. If it goes higher, so I'm using my hands. I'm not going and blocking like that. I'm just keeping my hands and moving back. All right. Now let us say I get a sense that he's going to kick. So what I'm doing is I'm immediately lifting my leg and blocking him in the thigh. All right. In a slow motion, go here, boom. All right. Pushing back. Go fast. Now go fast. So jump here. So I go here. Or a back fist or whatever. So blocking the kick before it comes to you here, or if it was too fast here, lift your leg up like a Muay Thai way here. Your upper body with your hand and your lower body with your legs.